Have you ever seen a math problem full of powers, zeros, and brackets? Oh no! This looks impossible. Well, today, I'm going to show you how such problems are actually super simple when you break them step by step. This is our question. If you see clearly, the brackets are increasing step by step. This looks like a power tower. We can take this as first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. Firstly, we have to take first term. If we observe here, 0 square is there, so 0 square is equal to 0. So here 3 power 0 is there, so 3 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 equal to 2. Now take the second term. So here 0 square is 0. Then we get as 2 power 3 whole power 0. So here 2 cube is 8, so then we get as 8 power 0. 8 power 0 is 1. Now we take third term. So here 3 power 0 is 1. Then we get 2 power 1 whole square. 2 power 1 is 2. When we get 2 square is equal to 4. Now take fourth term. 0 square is 0. Can we get as 2 power 3 power 0? 3 power 0 is 1. Then we get 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Put all the terms of answers in our equation. That is 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. So our answer is minus 5. Math is all about patience and breaking big problems into small steps. Keep practicing these kinds of exponent problems. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.